So the presumption with most sort of rational calculations and how we make decisions or rationally is we sort of select all the alternatives, make this very rational calculation on which one is the best alternative and choose that particular alternative. And I want to point out that often the processes in between doing that is very hard to do. And some days you just don't feel like making a rational decision. And I've come to realize that how you're making these sort of those decisions, they are often reflective of many different things. And when you don't feel 100%, the outcome that results is might not be the best result. And that's okay. That's where I want to sort of let people realize or to tell you it's okay not to have a perfect result or a perfect decision or make the right choice all the time. I have come to realize that um, there is your body and how you function is is constantly changing, right? And some days you don't feel great. And some days you don't understand why you don't feel great. Some days the reason why you don't feel great, you find out that you're sick or you're under the weather. And when you make decisions, when you process the world, it often is a result of this sort of state that you're actually in. And whether it's, you're just in a bad emotional state or, you have significant elation, you're super happy, all of those things sort of color how you're seeing the world and feeling about the world and what choice you'll ultimately make as a result of that. So, um, what I want to sort of suggest is if you feel like you made bad choices or you feel like that you're not up to your best self in terms of being able to work, it's fine. It's part of the process, it's part of life to have ups and downs. And you don't have to make the right choice. You don't have to be maximized. You don't have to be fully efficient all the time. I think we kind of get messed up and we think that we need to, but in reality, it's about just getting up and doing the same thing every day and being okay with that rather than thinking about maximizing every day and sort of pushing forward every day, but just getting up and doing what you can do, no matter how you're feeling, what's going on. And some days you're going to make bad decisions. Sometimes it's not going to work out, but that's okay. That is part of the process of what we actually go through as human beings.